Chiwenga to be killed by end of May. Azvipere mushe zvokuda zvichinzi the mnangagwa dynasty auxiliary ruse wakuZimbabwe bands vana vari kuyatsanangura vachiti aiwa Zimbabwe nguva ino iri kuona chimoto pamusoro pevanhu vari kuhida behind the leader wemasodamzo mnangagwa nemadifficulties avari kusangana nawo. Sana pena mashoko aiwa the main topic inotaurwa pamusoro pano penhau aiwa dzekuda ziba zvichinzi aiwa vipi kosano Chiwenga vari kudiwa aiwa kunzi vange vatsakatika by the end of May. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell kuti pena pano paZimbabwe pamutsinzi. Credible sources and public whispers alike point to one thing: President Emmerson Mnangagwa is no longer mentally fit to lead. Dementia has swallowed him, and behind that vacant throne now stands a shadow ruler of Zile Mnangagwa. Like a squirrel to the Grace Mugabe horror show, Zimbabwe finds itself under the grip of another first lady drunk on power. But make no mistake, Auxilia is no Grace. She's more cunning, more brutal, and more dangerous. Her rise was no coincidence. Her husband, then Vice President, cleared her path to parliament in 2015 by handing the Chirumanzu Zimbabwe constituency, a seat literally manufactured after he lost to the opposition in Guero. Mugabe, ever the opportunist, carved out this safe seat to keep Emmerson politically alive. Even Vice President Chiwenga is reportedly marked for death before the end of May. Auxilia frantically tried to force his ex-wife Mary to smear him. The military is divided, parliament is bribed, and no help is coming. Ndomashikuambira tsanangura panapa consolidations akaitwa epower panguva ino iri kunzi aiwa rakabvutiwa. Panguva ino anoonekwa kunzi all the way from 2018 they've been trying to destroy VP Kosano Chiwenga, but they were failing. But now tukuona kuti the power has been consolidated kuparliament, kumilitary, kwese masectors akasiyana siyana. But now panapa now dziri kubuda dziri kunzi people they all know this, but there is a post yaisiwa kunzi aiwa by end of May aiwa general vanofana kusangana nezvanenge vasangana nazvo. Imbudze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko chimekomese chimedudzo mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.